Good afternoon, everyone. World Conservation Day is observed every year on July 28. It is a day dedicated to raising awareness about the need to protect and preserve our natural environment, including forests, water, air, wildlife, and energy resources for current and future generations. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Today we will present a short skit titled "If Trees Could Talk, What Would Trees Say?" They had a voice. What a lovely day! I love feeding trees and giving shelter to children. Yes, I am enjoying giving oxygen and fruits. Everyone is happy. Life is good. Hey, you just tree. I need more money and that. Hey, stop cutting a tree, destroying our egg. Without them, there is no rain, there is no clean air, there is no life. Hi, thank you for saving us. Please help others understand too. Trees may not speak, but they help us live. Let's promise to plant trees and protect our environment.
Way to conserve nature, save water and electricity, avoid plastic, plant trees, recycle and reuse, protect animal and forest.
Save trees, save earth, conserve nature.